All right, everybody, we're doing a 2024 Prizm Racing 3-box RAM numbers break 4. Thank you for jumping in. Thank you guys again for your support of Fire Hand Cards. We appreciate you guys very, very much. The base cards in each box will be awarded out to 3 participants in lots. After that, everything else goes to your respective number. That includes any non-numbered Prizms, as well as, of course, your numbered Prizms and your autographed hits. And your inserts will all go based off a number. All right. Roll the die here will determine how many times we randomize the list of participants and numbers. Most of the cards, again, will be awarded in those 3 lots, but the rest of the cards, non-number cards, will be using the card number on the back. Anything serial number, the left side serial number applies. Any autographed hits that lack a serial number, take the last letter on the card number on the back and match it to a predetermined letter key. And any redemptions go to an automatic draw amongst all participants in the break. All right, let's get it. All right, it's going to be 2 clicks. B. Fisher Auto at the bottom up top, David McCarro. Once, twice. Rubber at the top, B. Fisher Auto at the bottom. All right, numbers 1 to 0, top to bottom with the letter key. Once, twice. 8 at the top, 3 at the bottom. Okay. B. Fisher Auto is 0. David 1. The Red Rifle 2. B. Fisher Auto 3. Jose 4. Gina 5. B. Fisher Auto 6. Drubio 7. Rubber 8. Jackals 9. Oh, I gotta draw out the base lots. Let's go back over here. All right, guys, 3 clicks. The owners of the first 3 numbers after click number 3 will get a box of base. 1, 2, 3. All right, so numbers 4, 5, and 9. So Jose, Gina, and Jackals. Got a red here, Terry Labonte. Red is 37 to 299, 7 to Strubio. Pulsar, Jake Garcia. 104, 399, number 4 to Jose. First auto of the break is a blue sensational signatures of Matt Mills. Serial number 17 of 49, number 7, Strubio. Clint Boyer, red. Uh, 13 of 299, number 3 for B. Fisher Auto. Got a red pot of gold, Ryan Blaney. 14 of 99, number 4, Jose. Denny Hamlin Pulsar. 195 to 399, number 5, Gina. And Tony Stewart, blue. 16 to 199, number 6, B. Fisher Auto. Got a checker flag Prizm of Austin Dillon. 72 of 75, number 2, Red Rifle. Sammy Smith, red to 299. 84 to 299, number 4, Jose. Got blue sensational signatures of Matt DiBenedetto. Uh, 40 of 49, 0, B. Fisher Auto. Kyle Larson Pulsar to 399. 198 to 399, number 8 for rubber. Chase Briscoe, red. 48 to 299, number 8 for rubber. And blue of Bobby Allison. 61 of 199, number 1, David McCarl. Josh Berry Pulsar to 399. Uh, 44 to 399, number 4, Jose. Blue patented penmanship, a bad Brad Keselowski. Good old bad Brad. Love Brad when he's bad. 20 of 49, 0 for B. Fisher Auto. Got a red here, Parker Retzlaff. 177 to 299, 7 to Strubio. And a blue of Ryan Priest to 199. 92 of 199, 2, the Red Rifle. Got a Pulsar here at Christian Rose to 399. 273 of 399, number 3 to B. Fisher Auto. All right, got a purple here in Matt DiBenedetto. 85 and 99. Number 5, Gina. And we got a Mojo here. Jimmy McMurray. 21 of 25, number 1 for David McCarl. And I got a red victory lane here, Kevin Harvick. 89 of 99, number 9, Jackals. Alright, so this stack will be going based off card number. This is the first stack of base. That is going to Jose. I want it in draw. Put that over here. How many numbered cards do we have in that first box? Seemed like they never ended. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We had 18 numbered cards in the first box, and that doesn't count the 3 autographs that were also all numbered. Just saying, a lot of numbered stuff in this. Carl Edwards, Pulsar to 399. 56 to 399, number 6, B. Fisher Auto. Carolina Blue, Carl Edwards as well. This one's 41 of 49, number 1, David McCarl. Andres Perez de Lara, purple, number 99. 98 of 99, number 8 for rubber. Corey LaJoie, Pulsar to 399. 30 of 399, 0, B. Fisher Auto. Kaz Grela Red Auto, Sensational Signatures. This will be number 99. Let's see, 86 of 99. Number 6, B. Fisher Auto. Parker Retzlaff Red to 299. 119 of 299, number 9, Jackals. Brad Keselowski, Pulsar to 399. 337 to 399. 7, Strubio. Blue to 199, AJ Allmendinger. 87 to 199. 7, Strubio. Daniel Hemrick Red, the 299. 155 of 299. Number 5, Gina. Chandler Smith, Pulsar to 399. 302 of 399, number 2 for the Red Rifle. All right, this is going to be our first non-numbered auto here. Ben Rhodes, Silver Sensational Signatures. Last letter on the card number on the back is the letter S. That'll go to Jackals. We also have a red victory lane here, Jesse Love. 7/99, 7. Distribute. Red, Matt Mills at $2.99. 150 of $2.99. 0, B. Fisher Auto. Josh Williams, Pulsar to $3.99. 310 of $3.99. 0 to B. Fisher Auto. Blue of Natalie Decker. 112 of 199. Number 2, the red rifle. Bobby Labonte red to $2.99. 245 of $2.99. Number 5, Gina. Got Scripps Auto here, Kyle Busch. Very nice. Kyle Busch has a sneaky good signature. And it's been pretty consistent for the last 20 years, too. Last letter on this one is letter H, going to rubber. Also got a Mark Martin Pulsar here to $3.99. 245 at $3.99. 5 to Gina. And Mojo of Ryan Blaney. 425 on that one. Number 4, Jose. Tyler Ankrum red to $2.99. 271 at $2.99. 1, David McCarroll. Bubba Wallace blue. 100 to $1.99. 0 for B. Fisher Auto. Okay. So that's box 2. Alright, this is going to spot number 5, second box of base. One more. Curious, anything else got closer? Okay. Marvel's down to 6. UFC still at 7. Okay. Still at 34 on the Diamond Icons players. Okay. Excuse me. Richard Petty to $3.99. Pulsar. 003 at $3.99. Number 3 to B. Fisher Auto. I got a red here, Ryan Newman, $2.99. 134, $2.99. Number 4 to Jose. And we got a Mojo Auto at 25 with Jesse Iwuji. Very nice. Serial number here is 16 of 25. Number 6 to B. Fisher Auto. And a Christopher Bell Blue Pot of Gold. This one is number to 49. 45 of 49. Number 5 to Gina. Noah Gregson, Pulsar to 399. 282 of 399. Number 2 for the Red Rifle. Connor Mozak, red to 299. 006 to 299. Number 6, B. Fisher Auto. And a blue Carson Hocevar. 71 to 199. Number 1 for David McCarroll. Dale Jarrett, Pulsar to 399. 294 to 399. Number 4, Jose. Brandon Jones, red to 299. 258 to 299. Number 8 for rubber. Got script signatures here. Daniel Dye. This will be using the last letter on the card number on the back. Last letter is letter E going to Gina. Okay. Ty Gibbs, checker flag, Prizm 75. 68 to 75, number 8 for rubber. These are my favorite Prizms out of racing. Checker flag ones are pretty awesome. Tyler Reddick to 399, Pulsar. 192 of 399, number 2, the Red Rifle. Tyler Reddick blue. 182 of 199, number 2, the Red Rifle. Bill Elliott, purple to 99. 84.99, number 4, Jose. All right, got Tyler Reddick, Mojo Scripts Auto here, 25. Uh, 18 to 25. Number 8, rubber. Got a Pulsar here to 399, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. 268 to 399, number 8 for rubber. Blue to 199, John Hunter Nemechek. 190 to 199, 0 for B. Fisher Auto. Got purple here, Carl Edwards to 99. 60 to 99, 0. B. Fisher auto. Pot of gold, Kevin Harvick, red. This will be numbered to 99. 5 of 99. Number 5 for Gina. Last pack. All right, Matt Kenseth, Pulsar to 399. 109 to 399, number 9 for Jackals. And Jeb Burton, Carolina Blue to 49. 12 of 49, number 2, the Red Rifle. Okay. All right, this is the third stack of base that's going to Jackals. All right. That right there. All right, guys, we'll have a recap ready for you here in a few moments. Lots of goodies in a product like this. Lots of goodies. These will be going based off card number on the back. So 7, for example, on that one, 5 on that one, 1, 2, so on, 9. All right, guys, I have a recap ready for you. 2024 Prizm Racing Hobby 3-box RAM numbers break 4. Here's what we pulled out of this one. Thank you guys again for watching and joining in. Starting with serial number goodies. All left side serial numbers were announced at the time these cards were pulled. We've got Pulsars here to 399. Denny Hamlin, Josh Berry, Carl Edwards, Brad Keselowski, Josh Williams, Richard Petty, Dale Jarrett, Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Jake Garcia, Kyle Larson, Christian Rose, Corey LaJoie, Chandler Smith, Mark Martin, Noah Gragson, Tyler Reddick, Matt Kenseth, red to 299, Terry Labonte, Sammy Smith, Parker Retzlaff twice, Matt Mills, Tyler Ankrum, Connor Mozak, Clint Boyer, Chase Briscoe, Daniel Hemrick, Bobby Labonte, Ryan Newman, Brandon Jones. Blue to 199, Bobby Allison, AJ Allmendinger, Bubba Wallace, Tyler Reddick, Tony Stewart, Ryan Preece, Natalie Decker, Carson Hocevar, John Hunter Nemechek. Purple to 99, Bill Elliott, Matt DiBenedetto, Andres Perez de Lara, Carl Edwards. A couple of red inserts here to 99. Ryan Blaney, Kevin Harvick again, and Jesse Love. Checker flag 75, Ty Gibbs, Austin Dillon. Carolina Blue to 49, Carl Edwards, Jeb Burton. Blue pot of gold, Christopher Bell to 49. Number to 25, Jamie McMurray and Ryan Blaney. All right. Autographed hits. Non-numbered autos here. Ben Rhodes, Sensational Signatures. The last letter was S, going to Jackals. Scripts of Kyle Busch. Last letter on that one is the letter H, going to rubber. And scripts of Daniel Dye. Last letter on that one is the letter E, going to Gina. All right, then you had numbered autos after that. Red Sensational Signatures of Kaz Grela, 86 and 99. Blue Auto Matt Mills, 17 of 49. Matt DiBendetto, 40 of 49. Patented Penmanship Blue Brad Keselowski, 20 of 49. Couple of Mojo autos here. Scripts, Jesse Owuji, 16 of 25. Tyler Reddick, 18 of 25. All right, that's going to do it for this break. Thank you for jumping in. Thank you guys, as always, for your support of Firehand cards. And congrats again to all of our lucky hitters in the break. Until next one.